Understanding Residential Flooding, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important and timely topic: residential flooding. This phenomenon affects millions worldwide, and understanding it can help us prepare and respond effectively. So, let's get started and shed some light on what residential flooding really means and why it's crucial for us to know about it. Residential flooding refers to the accumulation of excessive water in areas where people live, our homes, neighborhoods, and communities. This can happen due to various reasons such as heavy rainfall, river overflows, or even failures in drainage systems. The key aspect of residential flooding is its impact. It can damage property, disrupt lives, and, in severe cases, pose health and safety risks. There are several factors that can lead to residential flooding. Let's discuss the most common ones. Natural causes, including heavy rains, hurricanes, and melting snow. These natural events can overwhelm local drainage systems and lead to water entering homes. Man-made causes, poorly designed infrastructure, blocked drains, and inadequate urban planning can also contribute to flooding in residential areas. Understanding these causes helps us recognize the importance of proper planning and maintenance in preventing flood damage. The impact of residential flooding can be wide-ranging. Property damage. Flooding can cause significant damage to homes and belongings, leading to costly repairs. Health risks. Standing water can become a breeding ground for bacteria and pests, posing serious health risks. Emotional distress. The experience of flooding can be traumatic, affecting the emotional well-being of those involved. While we cannot always prevent flooding, there are steps we can take to minimize its impact. Preventive measures, including installing flood barriers, ensuring proper drainage, and adopting landscape designs that help absorb water. Emergency preparedness. Having an emergency kit, knowing evacuation routes, and staying informed about weather conditions are key to responding effectively to flood events. Understanding residential flooding is crucial for everyone, not just those living in flood-prone areas. By being informed about its causes, effects, and prevention strategies, we can better protect our homes and communities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.